can't tell, my office is a wreck. And my desk is super cluttered. And there's just guitars all over the floor in here, and just everything is a wreck. So the plan is I'm gonna build a desk, and it's gonna go from wall to wall right here, all the way across.
What's up, everybody? I hope y'all enjoyed that little clip there, and I figured I'd include y'all in kind of the process. Plus, you know, the desk is a huge part of, you know, my fishing videos and stuff. I need a good, nice area to work from and everything. Big news though, if you're wondering what the phone number is, it's on the screen. I'm giving out my phone number, so I want to be able to connect with each and every one of y'all one-on-one. If y'all got questions or anything like that, you know, all these other YouTubers, they want you to pay, you know, $5 or $3 or $10 or whatever to, you know, to kind of get a one-on-one with them and to get exclusive content and know their fishing spots and all that stuff. I'm just gonna give everything to y'all. I mean, anything, questions about video editing, fishing, woodworking, anything. If y'all just want to share photos of the biggest fish you caught with me or the catch you got today with me, doesn't matter, man. I just want to be able to connect one-on-one with everybody. And, you know, if you just need somebody to talk to, whatever, you know, just shoot me a text and I'll get back with you as soon as I can, usually right away. So, and we can just kind of stay connected like that. And then also, I got some t-shirts coming. I got sample will be here Monday, so hopefully everything is good, and then I can do the release on that. They're really badass, so I think everybody's gonna like them. Even if y'all don't like them, I know I'm gonna like them. So, but now that I got all this desk done and everything, I can get out there and do some fishing this weekend, man. I'm so ready. we've been super busy with my son's football and everything, and me trying to get this desk done. But I'm ready to catch some fish, man. I'm going out this weekend. I'm just gonna hammer down on them. So I'll see y'all later.